Hi, I'm Akash Bethel for Bass City Beat, and I'm here in downtown Mount Clemens along Macomb Place for the 2013 Art Fair.
This is the Anton Art Center's Art Fair. It's an annual event that we've been doing for several years. It's a crowd pleaser.
The Mount Clemens Art Fair is an annual event that really shows off the area's local talent. The art fair caters to all different types of art and activities, from pottery, clothing, photography, jewelry, paintings, and even arts and crafts for kids. There's always something for everyone. And so how do you keep these awesome events going, and how do you keep people involved in these things?
Through sponsorship, number one, because we do need financial help to keep putting these great events on in the downtown, and with great vendors. And that just comes from treating the vendors with respect, because we wouldn't have shows without them.
So where are you from?
My wife and I are from Ann Arbor. Our company is called Natural Designs Jewelry, and we've been designing and selling jewelry since 1975. Our first art fair was 1975, the Ann Arbor Art Fair. Been doing this one in Mount Clemens for about 15 years.
I'm from Harrison Township, Michigan. I'm selling functional pottery and just kind of has a sculptural feel, but just some stuff for everyday use.
I'm from Sterling Heights. I've been an artist now for about 10 years. I'm trying to introduce a new type of art called visionary art. It's all visions that I dream about and I bring up, and I try to make it very detailed and colorful work. It's a whole new type of art.
These are paintings of various cities around the world, pubs of Detroit, pubs of East Lansing, pubs of Ann Arbor, all over, even Ireland and Edinburgh, Scotland, and Italy. So it's a pen and ink and a watercolor combination.
Throughout the summer, all of our events we do look forward to, all of our residents do as well, but we need financial help to make them keep happening. And it's a way of creating pedestrian traffic for our downtown so that our businesses can sustain themselves through these tough times.
Talking with all of today's different vendors, it's easy to see what keeps people coming out every year. Keep supporting your local artists by attending events just like these. For Bass City Beat, I'm Akash Bethel.